I'm Ms. Smita Singh with the Seth Brothers Team, and today we are at 5110 Lockridge Sky Ln in Riverstone. This gorgeous east-facing home sits on an oversized 12,000 plus square foot lot. This home was built by the renowned Westin Homes and is the Castlebrook floor plan with numerous upgrades. Riverstone has a ton of amenities including resort-style pools, miles of walking trails, and the club at Riverstone. This home is zoned to top-rated Fort Bend ISD schools. This home is also very conveniently located in the center of the community, and you're walking distance to Anne Sullivan Elementary School and also the Riverstone Recreation Center. As you enter the home, you're greeted with upgraded wood and tile flooring in all the main living spaces. The spacious two-story family room lets in a ton of light. The chef's kitchen features an island and stainless steel appliances. This open concept home is perfect for entertaining. This home has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. The master suite Oasis features a tray ceiling, framed mirrors, a soaking tub, and a large walk-in shower. The second floor is home to a game room and a media room. Let's take a look at the backyard. With a covered patio, a large open space, and beautiful mature trees, you can turn this space into your own personal retreat. Thank you for taking this tour with me. Call the Seth Brothers today because this could be your next home.